The Canon M camera. This is the M6 edition, the Mark II. I think it is one of the best ones that you can buy right now because the version 1 is no longer made and they're gonna stop making this specific version, so get this while you still can. What I like the most about this is how very nice and beefy the body actually is. And plus, this one is almost equivalent, almost as good as the DSLR, but it is in such a small package and the lenses are much smaller and much more affordable. So if you are thinking, well, shouldn't they get the actual R camera? Not necessarily, because you can get away with much smaller lens. You can save huge amount of money on the lenses by just sticking with the R camera. Plus it is such small in size as well. So let's go into the features here and check it out. So we have the external flash that we can use here. We can bounce the flash if we want to as well. Over here we can put a bigger flash if we want, which is a big plus to it. We have a multi-function dial over here that is also can be used. We have the flash button over here where we autofocus, pressing it halfway, or to press it all the way, you take the snap in the picture. We also have a bunch of different dials that we can use here as well. Now on the other side, what we have here is this articulate screen over here. And then you might be thinking, well, why is this better than the M50? This is why this one, I like it more. First, it goes like this up. As you can see yourself when you're doing it versus on the side, which makes it unnatural for you to work with your eyes. So looking here is more natural. So if you're doing it for videography or vlogs, this is probably the better choice for you. If you're doing it for concerts, you can just move it like this, just like that, and you have a different viewpoint. That's all it comes out from this side. And from the top, you can see how it goes as well. Now, if you want to take this out, all you have to do is just press this button right here and keep moving it, and you get it out. Just like this, put this back in. On the other side, opening this up, you can put the battery in here. You can put a memory card, a micro one with an adapter, or just a micro card over here, the SD card. On the other side, we have manual to autofocus. We have the on button over here for the videos. We have a small dial that we can use here and displays, plus or minus right here with zoom if you want to zoom in or out. Overall, it is very good. I like the way this actually feels much better than the previous version. Easy for you to grab this and to use. It is much more hard frame here. It is much more bellow when it comes to the construction, build quality, and everything else. I recommend it. It is fun to take. It is extremely lightweight and high quality camera gear. Make sure you get yours now before they stop making this specific version.